Welcome guys. Today I'm doing a pasta and I got some linguine, some basil, some homemade tomato sauce, some fresh spinach, some chicken, Maggi seasoning, a little bit of salt. So I already got my water boiling. It's gonna be for my pasta. I'm gonna add that in a little bit of oil, let that cook. And I'm gonna cut some chicken up, cut them off. Add my basil and my spinach, then add my pasta. So this one is going to be good, guys. So just stick around, go and hit that subscribe button and wait for the magic to happen, guys. All right guys, so we're just going to cut these at a bias. All right, so now you got your chicken. You're gonna go ahead and add some of the seasoning. And just go ahead and mix that up. Make sure you got your gloves on when you handle raw chicken. I like to wear a glove. All right, just get that mixed up real good. Then we're gonna get rid of these gloves. Cover this bad boy. Set them to the side. Add a little bit of oil. Add some salt. Just something to flavor the water so the pasta gets some flavor. And then we're going to add our pasta. Alright, beautiful. And I'm using linguine for this one, guys. Alright guys, so pastas are cooked and they're all separated. Alright guys, I'm going to get some basil. We're going to chiffon all these. Alright, I'm going to add that to our pasta later. All right. Start by adding a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Titanium non-stick, so you don't need a lot of oil for this one, guys. Have our chicken. You don't want the pan to be scorching hot because you don't want to burn yours before. There you go, guys. It's almost there. You want them to get a little sear. Make sure they're cooked through, fully cooked all the way. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. You want them to cook evenly on both sides. I'll come back when they're ready. Alright guys, now that's where we need to be. Chicken is fully cooked. We're going to go ahead and start making our pasta. Alright guys, I'm going to make one order of this pasta. So I'm going to start by adding a little bit of oil. Alright, I'm going to add some of the chicken breast that I just cooked. Alright. That's the thing. One portion of pasta. Spoon of sauce. And then we're going to add a handful of spinach. We're going to mix that in. Guys, we're almost there. We'll add a little bit more spinach, and then don't forget your basil. So we have some chiffonade basil here. We're going to go ahead and add some basil to this pasta. This is what we're going to make. This is what brings out this dish, guys, that basil. So we could just fold those in. And don't mind if your spinach is not wilted. As soon as some heat catch it from your pasta, it will be. Alright, guys. Almost to my favorite part, which is the plate up. I'll add a little bit more sauce just to give it, in case you want it runny. So, intertwine that. Then we're going to go ahead and plate up this pasta for you guys right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to plate our pasta. I'm going to start like this. This one is good, guys. And you can smell it. And we just top this one off with the garlic bread on the side. And last but not least, some chiffonade basil.